Need newspaper-style text in Word? I'll show the exact layout path and how to start columns only where you want them. By the end, you'll know how to switch between 1, 2, or 3 columns and apply them to just part of a page. First, select the text or place your cursor where columns should start. Go to the Layout tab on the ribbon. In Page Setup, click Columns to open the preset options. The path is Layout Columns, then choose 2, 3, left or right. Next, pick a preset or choose more columns for custom spacing. Pick a preset and Word updates the page immediately. For custom widths, open more columns and adjust the spacing. If you want columns later, insert a section break first, then apply columns. Use a section break when only one part of the document needs columns, like a newsletter headline and body. Pro tip: if the first page must stay normal, insert a section break before changing columns. Since you're already writing in Word, GenText helps with citations and bibliography cleanup while you format. If you're writing a paper, GenText handles citations and bibliography in